everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
I am. Say your name. Oh no. Say your name. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. I am Anita. I am Cheshu. I am studying in LKG class. UKG class. Dear teachers and dear friends, respected principal and my dear friends, I like talk about Independence Day on August 15. We got independence. So we are proud about Gandhi Tata. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat Mata. Bharat Mata ki